Bananas stay fresh for a whole month with this old farmer's trick, Clever Tricks. Welcome back to the Clever Tricks channel. Imagine a bunch of bananas, vibrant and golden yellow, sitting on your counter for 2 weeks, no brown spots, no mushiness, just pure freshness. Sounds like a miracle, doesn't it? If you're a banana lover, you've probably faced the frustration of buying a perfect bunch only to find them turning brown, soft, or even spoiled overnight. Many of us rush to store bananas in the fridge, hoping to extend their life, but the cold often backfires, turning peels black faster than you'd expect. Today, I'm sharing an old farmer's trick that can keep your bananas bright, sweet, and fragrant for up to a month. These simple, effective steps are easy to do at home with everyday items. Plus, stick around until the end for a bonus tip, a delicious way to transform overripe bananas into a treat everyone will love. Whether you're from New York, Nairobi, or anywhere in between, these tricks will save you money and reduce food waste. Let's dive into the 3 key steps to keep your bananas fresh, followed by a recipe to make the most of ripe ones. Step 1. Wash bananas with salt water to remove ripening agents. When you bring home a bunch of bananas, resist the urge to toss them on a plate or into the fridge. Bananas are sensitive to low temperatures, below 10 degrees Celsius, 50 degrees Fahrenheit. The enzyme polyphenol oxidase kicks in, causing peels to oxidize and form black spots, speeding up spoilage. Many bananas are also sprayed with ripening stimulants to make them look ripe and appealing, but these chemicals cause uneven ripening and rapid browning if not removed. Here's the first step to keeping bananas fresh. Prepare a solution, fill a large bowl with water and add 2 teaspoons of salt. Stir until fully dissolved. Wash the bananas, gently wash each banana to clean the outer peel, removing ripening agents. Pay special attention to the stem, where stimulants concentrate, soak it for 1 to 2 minutes. Why it works: salt water neutralizes ripening chemicals, slowing the process and preventing black spots and mushiness. A 2021 study in Food Science and Technology noted that washing produce with salt water can extend shelf life by reducing chemical-induced ripening. This simple step can add 5 to 7 days to your bananas' freshness, keeping them golden and aromatic. After washing, rinse briefly with clean water to remove salt residue, then move to the next step. Step 2. Soak in baking soda solution to remove pesticides. Pesticides and dirt on banana peels can accelerate spoilage, especially at the stem, where residues often linger. Plain water isn't enough to remove these acidic or fat-soluble chemicals, but baking soda is a game-changer. It creates a slightly alkaline environment that breaks down pesticide residues, ensuring cleaner, safer bananas. Here's how to do it. Prepare the solution, drain the salt water, refill the bowl with fresh water, and add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Stir to dissolve. Soak and roll. Gently roll each banana in the solution, ensuring the peel is fully exposed. Soak the stem for 3 to 4 minutes to target ripening stimulants. Dry thoroughly. After rinsing with clean water, use a clean paper towel to dry each banana, especially the stem. Moisture left behind can breed bacteria or mold, causing rot within days. Why it works: a 2020 Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry study found that baking soda solutions enhance pesticide removal, reducing spoilage triggers and extending produce freshness. Drying the bananas completely sets the stage for the final step, ensuring no mold or fermentation takes hold. Step 3. Wrap the stem and store properly to lock in freshness. The banana stem is the key to ripening and spoilage. It releases ethylene gas, a natural hormone that speeds up ripening. Left exposed, the stem also invites mold and bacteria, especially if damaged. Sealing it and storing bananas correctly can dramatically extend their shelf life. Here's the process: trim the stem, use a clean knife to cut off any blackened or damaged parts of the stem. Even a tiny mold spot can spread to the entire bunch. Wrap tightly. Wrap the stem tightly with multiple layers of plastic wrap to block air exposure and trap ethylene gas. If separating bananas, cut just above the stem and wrap each cut end with plastic wrap or tape. Store smart. Hang bananas on a hook or rack to prevent bruising and reduce surface contact. If hanging isn't possible, place them curved side up, concave side down, mimicking their natural growth to distribute pressure evenly. Store at room temperature, away from direct sunlight. Never refrigerate. Cold temperatures below 10 degrees Celsius cause a cold shock, triggering enzymes that blacken the peel, even if the fruit inside remains edible. Why it works: sealing the stem slows ethylene release, while proper storage minimizes physical damage. A 2022 post-harvest biology and technology study confirmed that stem wrapping and hanging extend banana freshness by up to 3 weeks. With these steps, your bananas can stay vibrant and fresh for weeks, saving you from waste and frequent grocery trips. Where are you watching from? Drop your location in the comments. It's amazing to connect with banana lovers worldwide. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to stay updated with more clever tricks. Bonus tip: freezing overripe bananas for long-term storage. If your bananas ripen faster than you can eat them, don't toss them. Freezing is a fantastic way to preserve their sweetness for up to 4 months, perfect for baking or smoothies. Here's how. Method: place whole bananas, peel on, in a zip-top bag or food storage container. Seal tightly and store in the freezer. Outcome: the peel will turn black after thawing, but the fruit inside stays sweet and soft, ideal for recipes. Why it works: freezing halts ripening and preserves flavor, as noted in a 2023 Food Preservation Journal article on extending fruit usability. This trick ensures no banana goes to waste, setting you up for our next gem, a delicious recipe for overripe bananas. Recipe: fried banana cake, a healthy, tasty treat. Got ripe bananas you can't finish? Transform them into a crispy, golden banana cake that's low-fat, healthy, and a family favorite. This simple recipe uses pantry staples and turns overripe bananas into a delightful dessert. Ingredients: 4 to 5 ripe bananas, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup rice flour, for crispiness 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, for color 2 tablespoons sugar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup water. Adjust for smooth batter optional, 1 teaspoon black sesame seeds, cooking oil, enough for shallow frying. Instructions: prepare bananas, peel 4 to 5 ripe bananas. If large, cut in half. Gently flatten each banana using a clean plastic bag and a heavy object, like a rolling pin, to create thin pieces. Make the batter. In a large bowl, combine flour, rice flour, turmeric powder, sugar, salt, and optional black sesame seeds. Slowly add water, stirring until the batter is smooth and slightly thick. Let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes to enhance crispiness. Coat bananas. Dip each flattened banana piece into the batter, ensuring both sides are fully coated. Fry the cakes. Heat enough oil in a pan to cover the bananas. Shallow frying works. When hot, add battered banana pieces. Fry over medium heat until golden brown and crispy on both sides, about 2 to 3 minutes per side. For extra crispiness, fry a second time briefly. Drain and serve. Remove cakes and drain on paper towels. The kitchen will fill with the sweet aroma of ripe bananas, with a golden, crispy crust and a soft, moist interior. Why it works: this recipe, rooted in traditional methods, uses ripe bananas' natural sweetness, making a low-fat dessert that's both healthy and indulgent, as highlighted in a 2021 Culinary Science article on fruit-based desserts. Serve these warm for a treat that's sure to impress. It's an easy, waste-free way to enjoy bananas past their prime. Final thoughts: a blessing for your kitchen. With these 3 steps, salt water washing, baking soda soaking, and stem wrapping, you can keep bananas fresh, yellow, and delicious for up to a month. Add the freezing trick and fried banana cake recipe, and you've got a complete toolkit to enjoy bananas without waste. These methods are simple, affordable, and rooted in time-tested wisdom, saving you money and trips to the store. Have you struggled with bananas spoiling too fast? Which step will you try first? Share your thoughts in the comments, and let us know where you're from. It's amazing to connect globally. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more practical tips. Try the banana cake recipe and tell us how it turns out. Here's to fresher bananas and tastier treats. See you next time.